Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Solana X token. Now the Solana X token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Solana X token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, although this is called the Solana X token, this token is on the Binance Smart Chain, and I've seen that actually happen a lot with tokens, where in the name it has a name of a completely different chain of what the token is actually on, and there could be many reasons for that. There could be reflections, all sorts of reasons, but this is a brand new token. If you go over to their BSC scan, it says they only have 8 holders, and then you scroll through their transactions there. There are 8 transactions, and none of them are on Pancakeswap or look like there's any listings or anything yet so far. So, very brand new token. Looks like it's not even available yet. 18 decimal places on this token. Now, there is a lot of tokens here. That is a million, billion, trillion, quadrillion. Looks like 1 quintillion, 150 quadrillion tokens. It's a BEP20 token, and this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, February 1st at 15 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Solana X, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So their Twitter, I'm going to put on the screen right here, at official Solana X. They have 11,200 Twitter followers so far. They're doing pretty well there. Their Telegram can be found at official Solana X. 3,144 Telegram members. Doing pretty well on the Telegram. So this is very much a meme token. That's what it says almost everywhere you look. It just advertises it as a meme token. It says, journey into crypto bliss with Solana X, where laughter meets riches. And you can see it's a very brand new project. Their Twitter just joined in January 2024. Has a link to their webpage right on the Twitter there and their Telegram. So basically all the links you need are going to be on this Twitter right here. And it says their webpage is solana-x.tech. Now they have 42 tweets so far, and their most recent tweet is the Mexc Global listing announcement. So you could check that out there. And there's a Kickstarter event that you can get involved with if you want to, where you could vote with MX tokens, which is Mexc Global's tokens, to win airdrops. And there's a reward pool of 50,000 USDT. So you could check that out in their most recent tweet on the Twitter here. Now, it says, journey into crypto bliss, launching soon. Not even available on Pancakeswap yet, but I mean, if you wanted to get this token in a decentralized way, eventually it'll be on Pancakeswap, and you could fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps, find Pancakeswap, and then trade your BSC for the Solana X token using the contract address that you could find on their webpage, solana-x.tech. And you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, but we'll go over that in a second. So it says, join the Solana X fun revolution. Prepare for a laughter-filled adventure in the world of crypto with Solana X, the coin that turns trading into a joyous extravaganza. Meet our whimsical character bringing humor and vibrancy to the Solana space. Now they have the Solana X Joy Quest. It says infusing delight with the crypto cosmos. So they have a fun-loving development team. Solana X is powered by a team of fun-loving developers, architects of the crypto Joy Quest. Together they craft the Solana X fun realm, where laughter reigns and whimsical riches flow in the crypto comedy cosmos. And they are joy enthusiasts. Become a joy enthusiast, a revealer of the Solana X fun realm where humor and financial gains intertwine. Join the joyous festivities as we navigate the whimsical cosmos, bringing delight to the crypto space. So how the token is split up here, it says 20% goes to central exchange listings, just like Mexc Global. 10% goes to marketing, 5% to team, 10% advisors, 20% growth, 15% rewards. So there's going to be some form of rewards here, and 20% development. Now, it doesn't say anything about taxes on here that I could see as of yet. So maybe they'll announce it later when it goes live on Pancakeswap. But in their tokenomics, it's basically just token allocation metrics there. So the fun extravaganza experience, Solana's joyful cosmos, gear up. A coin with whimsical riches and joyous crypto cosmos. Get ready to witness the rise of a new era in fun-fueled crypto where every investor becomes a maestro in the Joy Fest. Now, basically, no roadmap on here, really. Telling you, what's going to happen. It says our mission, but it's basically just joy. So yeah, not much of a roadmap or anything that I could see on here. And their Twitter, their Twitter has 42 tweets of updates, so you could follow that, or their Telegram. So it says building collaborations. So they're talking about collaborations on their Twitter, things like that. But yeah, lots of memes. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching. Check out all the referral codes, especially that Mexc Global one where this token's getting listed. And y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.